Meaning of east-southeast.
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 East-southeast. East-southeast is a compass direction that falls between east and southeast, with an angle of 112.5 degrees clockwise from north. It is often used by sailors, pilots, and hikers to navigate and orient themselves. When facing east-southeast, one is looking towards a point that is roughly 22.5 degrees clockwise from due south. It is important to understand directions for travel and navigation in outdoor activities, as well as for location and positioning purposes in various contexts such as geology, meteorology, and cartography.